a new resource. So I don't know how many of you have been to a state competition before or not, but we are going to give you the access to the field book for describing and sampling soils. So this book is one that most soil scientists will take with them into the field to use. So because I'm not expected to memorize everything, I don't expect you all to memorize everything. So we're gonna give you this book. There is a lot of information in here, and there are tabs. So if you're ever like, oh, I need to look up a thing, it's labeled, there are tabs. But what we will do to make it even more accessible for you all is that we will bookmark pages of interest. So where this is going to come in handy will be for the soil description stop, because that's basically what we use this book for. So in here is it's just full of diagrams and all of the codes, like the shorthand that we use. If you are looking for, let's see if I can find it on the first try. If you're looking for the effervescence table, that is in here too. Also, and the page numbering is weird, but it's on page 2-89. But it also has a lot of description. If you're not sure what a thing is, it has description in there for you. So we will be giving you this. It will be bookmarked. Feel free to use it. And so this will mostly be at stop 5, which is the soil description stop, which, as a point of note, is meant to be a teamwork stop. So if your team structure is that you have one soils guru person, you better get really good at delegating jobs to people, because otherwise you won't have enough time to complete that stop. And so we want you to have the most time that you can there. So with that said, we will kind of run through